Sustainability is paramount, but how do you create the best hospitality and cleaning solutions when every environment has unique requirements for both hygiene and guest experience? Wecovi provides sustainable, chemical-free solutions for any environment. We specialize in innovative cleaning products, guest kits and welcome sets, always with a focus on environmental friendliness and safety. By continuously refining solutions and aligning with the latest sustainability requirements, Wecovi aims to supply cleaning companies and leisure operators with the most effective and environmentally friendly products for a healthier work climate and a greener planet. At Wecovi, it's all about reliability, progress and collaboration. Despite international growth, customer focus and hands-on mentality remain core values. Do you want to be part of a dynamic team striving to make a positive impact on the world? Apply now and help build a greener future for sustainable cleaning solutions.